Darius Dainsh's heartbroken girlfriend has revealed what the singer's mum told her after his autopsy. The pop idol star died aged 41, after being found at his flat Minnesota, in the U.S. last August. Darius' cause of death was ruled as a result of inhalation of chloroethane, but Lauren Cheek has since revealed the singer was living with this heart condition he didn't know he had. "His mum told me they only found out after they did the autopsy," she said. His heart was twice the size it was supposed to be, which was fitting, because that is genuinely how he was. He had so much love. The autopsy also found he was living with a broken neck, but he refused to get help or complain about it. "I think he used chloroethane, because he was in so much pain and he didn't want to take pills, not even aspirin. That's what killed him, the substance mixed with his heart and he couldn't take it," reports The Sun. In September, autopsy documents obtained by the PA news agency listed toxic effects of chloroethane in addition to suffocation as having contributed to Darius' death. The death was ruled an accident by the medical examiner. Chloroethane, commonly known as ethyl chloride, is used in petrol additives, plastics, dyes, pharmaceuticals and topical anesthetics. It became popular as an inhalant street drug in the 1980s. Brief inhalations of the drug can result in dizziness, euphoria, confusion, incoordination, hallucinations, impairment of short-term memory and narcosis. Following the tragic news of Darius' death, his family released a statement to the PA news agency, saying, "The results of medical examinations have confirmed that Darius's death was an accident caused by chloroethane, which is used to treat pain and that tragically lead to respiratory arrest." Darius was suffering from chronic neck pain following a car accident in 2010. "We would like to thank everyone for their love and kindness, and ask that the family's privacy is maintained during this difficult time." The Scottish singer-songwriter and actor shot to fame when he made his debut on ITV show Pop Stars back in 2001 before returning to Pop Idol in 2002, finishing third behind Gareth Gates and eventual winner Will Young. Following the news of his friend's passing, Gareth said, "I can't quite believe the news of my dear friend Darius passing. I'm heartbroken. Darius took me under his wing during our time in Pop Idol, like a big brother, always looking out for me, and for that I thank you, my friend. I will miss our chats. He was one of the most beautiful, intelligent and gentle souls I was lucky enough to know, a soul that lit up every room. Goodbye, my friend. Forever in my heart." Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.